So in this video, we are going to learn how to auto-share WordPress post on Facebook. Let's say on a regular basis, you post new blogs or new content on WordPress and you want to share that same content on Facebook as well, as you have a huge community over there. So let me tell you how you can automate this process of sharing WordPress post on Facebook. So in this automation, whenever you are going to publish a new post on WordPress, automatically the same title, the same link and the same post details will be shared on your Facebook page or Facebook group as well. Now, if you want to know how you can set up this kind of automation, for that you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my WordPress account. Now we want that whenever I'm going to publish any post on my WordPress account, I want to share the exact same post automatically on my Facebook page with my community. Now to do this, we have to connect WordPress with our Facebook page. And we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an automation and integration platform to do so. So here you can see we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard, and to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. After coming to this dashboard, we have to create an automation workflow inside Pabbly Connect. And to do so, just click on this Create Workflow button and give this workflow a name. So let me name my workflow as WordPress to Facebook. And then select the folder of your Pabbly Connect account in which you want to create the workflow and click on Create. After clicking on Create, here you can see the workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger window. Now the idea here is, first we are going to connect our WordPress site, our WordPress account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step, so that whenever a new post is published on WordPress, automatically the details of that newly published post will be received inside Pabbly Connect and this automation workflow will trigger, it will start. Then after that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send the details of that newly published post like the title, the link and all the other details to Facebook, and we are going to share a new post on our Facebook page with the link of the same post which we have posted on WordPress. So let's see how it is done. So starting from our trigger window in Choose App, search for WordPress. Just select it. After selecting WordPress in Trigger Event from the drop-down, select the trigger event as New Post Published because we want to get the details of the new post which we are publishing on our WordPress site. And after selecting a trigger event, Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. Now using this webhook URL, we are going to connect our WordPress account with Pabbly Connect and get the details of the newly published post. Now you must be thinking how you can add this webhook URL in your WordPress account. So to do so, you just have to follow the instructions given below over here. So as it says, first we have to install a plugin named as WP Webhooks in our WordPress account. So just go to the WordPress dashboard and from the left sidebar scroll down and go to plugins. Add new plugins and install the WP Webhooks plugin. I have already installed the plugin, so I'll go to the installed plugin section. And after coming to this installed plugin section, I'm going to search for this WP Webhook plugin. Just search for it. And yes, here you can see WP Webhooks. This particular plugin is already installed and activated on my WordPress account. You just have to install the same plugin and activate it. After activating it, from the left sidebar, go to settings and then under settings, you can see this option of WP Webhooks. Just go to WP Webhooks over here. After coming to WP Webhooks, go to Send Data. And then under Send Data, here you can see a list of different events over here. Out of all of this, we have to select the event as Post Created. Just select this event and click on this Add Webhook URL button. Give this webhook URL a name. For example, I'll name it as Pabbly Connect. And then here we have to enter the webhook URL which Pabbly Connect gave us. So just copy this webhook URL from our Pabbly Connect workflow and then paste it over here. And after pasting the webhook URL, click on Add for Post Create. And then you can see this webhook URL named as Pabbly Connect is added. Now after that, just click on these three dots in front of it and go to Settings. After coming to the settings section, the first thing it asks us trigger on selected post type. That on publishing of which type of post we want WordPress to send the data to Pabbly Connect. So I'm selecting this post over here that whenever I create a WordPress post, I want to send the details of that newly created post, newly published post to Pabbly Connect using the webhook. So we have to select post over here. Then here it is asking us trigger on initial post status change. So here when we want to trigger it, do we want to trigger it when the post is in draft or when the post is in review or is private or is published? So we want that whenever a post is published, the details of that published post should be received inside Pabbly Connect. So select post over here and published over here. And after selecting both of the things, just scroll down and click on Save Settings. And as we click on Save Settings, we have successfully added this webhook URL in our WordPress site. And now whenever we are going to publish a new post on WordPress, automatically the details of that published post will be received inside our Pabbly Connect workflow. And here in Pabbly Connect, you will see it is showing us waiting for webhook response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get some details, some data of a new post being published from WordPress. So let's do it. We will go to a WordPress account and from the left sidebar, I'm going to create a new post over here. Just go to post and go to add new post. And then here I'm going to enter the details of the post like the title and the content. Okay, so just now I have added all the details of this new blog post which we are sharing or publishing on WordPress. We have this title of Transforming Your Outdoor Oasis, a guide to expert gardening and landscaping. Then here you can see we have a complete blog. We have the complete content of our post. We'll scroll down. Here you can see I have also added some tags over here. We'll scroll down further, and also I have added a feature image for this post which we are publishing on WordPress. So here in this way you can create any post of your choice in your WordPress account, and after that just click on this publish button. Now when we click on publish, we will see this post will be published on our WordPress site with all the same details, and it is published. Here you can see the permanent link of this post. We'll just open it in a new tab, and on the new tab you can see this is the complete blog post which we have created just now. So just now we have published a new post on our WordPress site. And because we have connected WordPress with Pabbly Connect, we will see in our Pabbly Connect workflow in this trigger step, within few seconds, we have received some response. And in this response, you will see the details of the exact same post which we have published just now. So we will just scroll down further and here you can see all the details. Here you can see the same tag which we have added over here, gardening. We'll scroll down further. Here you can see the image, the same image which was added in this post. We'll just copy this link and paste it in a new tab. And you can see the same featured image over here. Then after that, here you can see the permanent link, the link of the same blog post which we have published just now. We will scroll down further and then you can see all the other details. Like here we have the title of the same blog, same post which we have posted. And then we have the post name. And then we also have the complete content of this post as well. So in this way, all the details of the new post which we have published on our WordPress site, all of those details are received inside Pabbly Connect. So the step 1 of this automation is completed. Now let's move to step 2. In step 2, we want to create a post on our Facebook page with the same blog link which we have published on WordPress and the title and the image. For that, we will just scroll down and come to this action step over here. And here in Choose App, we are going to search for Facebook pages. Just select it. After selecting Facebook pages, an action event from the drop-down, select the action event as Create a Page Post. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here, we have to connect our Facebook pages account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this Connect with Facebook Pages button. Then because I have already logged into my Facebook account in my browser, Pabbly Connect will detect the same account. Just click on this continue button, and as we click on continue, we will see our Facebook account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the page. And here in the drop down, you can see a list of all the pages which I have created in my Facebook profile. So in my Facebook profile, you'll notice I have a long list of different pages. So out of all of this, on which particular page we want to create the post, on which particular page we want to share this post from our WordPress site, we have to select that. So the Facebook page name is Green Pro Landscaping. On this particular page, I want to share the WordPress post. So from this drop down, we are going to search for the same page and select it. After selecting the page, it is asking us for the message. that what is the message which we want to share, what is the caption of the post which we want to share on Facebook. So I want my message to be, hello, I have published a new blog on gardening and landscape. Then I want to enter the title as, for example, title, and then whatever title of the post which we have entered in WordPress, we want to enter this exact same title in the Facebook message, in the caption of this Facebook post. So we have received the title of the post which we have published in trigger step responses from WordPress. So here you can see we have this response of the title of the post. Now what we have to do, we have to map this response of post title from this trigger step responses to this Facebook pages action step. And the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field of message, and here in the drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from WordPress of a new post being published. Out of all of these responses, we are going to select this response of post title and we are going to map it. Now in this way, we can basically add any details of the blog post which we have received from WordPress in the trigger step. We can add any detail of our choice over here in this Facebook pages caption step. Now here I'm just creating a simple basic message and I am entering the title of the post over here. But instead of this, what you can do, you can basically share the complete content of your blog as well. So in the next line, let's say I want to share the complete post content as well. So in the trigger step, we have received the response of the post content. If you want, you can select and map it, and the same content which we have posted on WordPress, with the same content, the Facebook page post can also be created. But right now, I want to share the link of this WordPress post. So that's why I've just created a simple message and added the title. Now, instead of this, if you want to add some other details like the tags or any other details, you can do that too. Now, after creating the message and mapping the detail of your choice, here it is asking us link URL. So here in link URL, we are going to add the link of the blog post which we have shared on WordPress. So just click here on this field, and from the drop down, from WordPress responses, we have received the permanent link of the post. So here you can see post permanent link. Just select it and map it. In this way, on the Facebook page post which we are creating, automatically the link of the same post will also be shared. This will help you update your user with the link of the blog post directly on Facebook. And after creating the message and mapping the link URL, just click on Save and Send Test Request. Now when we click on Save and Send Test Request, we will see we are going to receive a response over here. And in that response, we are going to see whether this Facebook page post is published or not. And yes, the response is received. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that with this particular message, with this particular caption and this URL, a Facebook page post is shared on this Facebook page. So let's check it. We'll go to Facebook page and we will just refresh our Facebook page once. And yes, here you can see just now a new post is published on our Facebook page which says, hello, I have published a new blog on gardening and landscape. We have the exact same title which we have entered the title of the blog post in our WordPress account over here. And also you can see we have the link of the blog post as well. We will just click on it over here, and as we click on it, you will see in a new tab, the same post opens in front of us. The same WordPress post which we have just now created, the same post is automatically shared on our Facebook page with our community. This means the automation which we have created between WordPress and Facebook using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. And using this automation, whenever we are going to publish a new post on WordPress, automatically with the same details, with the same title and same link, we are going to create a post and we are going to share that same post on our Facebook page as well. Now, after setting up this automation, we are going to test this automation workflow once. Once again, I'll just click on this add new post button and I'm going to publish another post on my WordPress account. Okay, so here I've entered the content for my post. The post title is Unveiling the Secrets of Exceptional Gardening and Landscaping. Then I have my post content and also I have added some image to this post. Now I will just click on this publish button. And as I click on publish, this new post will be published on my WordPress site. And it is done. So we have this link of this post. We'll just open it in a new tab. And here you can see this is the WordPress post which we have created just now, which we have published just now. And after creating this post, we'll go to our Facebook page and refresh our Facebook page once. And let's see whether this post is automatically shared on our Facebook page or not. And yes, here you can see just now within few seconds automatically a new post is created on my Facebook page which says, "Hello, I have published a new blog on gardening and landscape. The title is Unveiling the Secrets of Exceptional Gardening and Landscaping." The same title of the blog of the post which we have entered in WordPress. Also here you can see we have the link of the WordPress post. Just click on it and it will take you to the same post on our WordPress site which we have published. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation workflow for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can email us at support@pabbly.com or post it on our forum over here. Or you can write us in the comment box below too. If you want to check out the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. And if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Pabbly. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.